Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into your PlayStation Network account on the Ps5 or a browser. That's the moment to act. Once signed in, go directly to Account Settings. Do not navigate away. Make sure you have the two-step verification code method handy so you can confirm identity. This prevents lockout. If you used an authenticator app, open it now. If you used SMS, ensure your phone can receive messages. That keeps the process smooth and secure. You navigate to Security and Users and Accounts and select Two-Step Verification. That's the control center. Once there, choose Manage or Turn Off and follow the prompts. PSN asks for the current verification code to prove it's you. If the authenticator provides the code, enter it. If you saved backup codes, use one. Make sure to read on-screen confirmations before proceeding, because turning this off removes an extra layer of protection. Take a breath and double-check the method you used. You confirm the turn-off action and watch for any final warnings. That completes the removal. Once done, sign out and sign back in to test that two-step verification no longer prompts you. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use previously saved backup codes or start account recovery with PlayStation support. Provide account info and proof of ownership. If you relied on SMS and lost the phone, contact your carrier first. Keep one recovery method available to avoid future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.